This time it's the 3 peak challenge. And here's the team.
It's happening on YouTube.
And over there's the Mamos. So, schoolboy Paul here thinks that's the top.
Yes, the pedos. How long am I meant to have these?
Well, Grandad, as long as you want them.
No.
Half an hour in, 1,000 feet above sea level, 1/4 of the way up. How are we doing?
Good.
Good man.
Good. Sweating, but good.
Now we're in, and we're all still marching on. We've hit the same altitude as Snowdon. Gorillas in the mist. And a wind shelter. Dead man walking. The observatory ruins.
Oh, is that where everyone goes to fucking...
No, this was over 100 years ago when they used to do weather forecasts up here. A team lived up here. Fucking like ice. Ice, baby.
Nice one, the boys.
First time I'm afraid this is Ben Nevis. Boom.
This is like that.
Cameras on, boys. It's gonna be me in there. Ah, fuck this. 8-hour drive for the spectacular views. You can't get better than this. And just like that, the cloud disappears. Beautiful. And that is Ben Nevis completing 4 hours and 52 minutes. Boom. 4 hours 52 it was, lads.
Nice.
So we've arrived at the Lake District at last for number 2, Scafell Pike.
light on this one. Tide after.
The summit of Scafell Pike, 978 metres. Number 2, Scafell Pike. Hi ho, hi ho, it's off to Snowdon we go. It feels like an eternity get down Scafell Pike. A long time. 2 mountains in, how are we feeling? Not staying in. This is the end of the line for Scafell Pike. Lingmill in the distance there. And Kirkfell. Great Gable behind it. Yebarrow in front. I'm feeling tired now though. Very tired indeed. Legs are a bit stiff around the quads. Need food. And here we go. Leaving Penla Pass for the pig track. This is the final one. This is Snowdon. There's the turn off for Cribgroch. Not today though, which is rare, because I never take the pig track. Mine is chock below. This path will be rammed in a couple of hours. I'm hopefully long gone. I'm on the way to bed by then. I'm about 500 metres above sea level at the moment. Lynn Glasson. Here come the cavalry. Oh. The zigzags on the pig track. The top of the pig. This is Belch Glass. The summit of Snowdon. 12th time for me.
Yes! Yes now!
Here we are lads. Freedom. 3 feet bagged. Boom. Lambo number 5. 1,085 metres, summit number 3, Snowdon.
We love kids.
Let's finish this. And this is it. This is the final point of the Three Peaks. Victorious we are. I would treasure this moment for about a week and then go and do something else that's fucking stupid. And this is it, Three Peaks. Boom.